You and Your Young Child, a program of information and services available for you and your child from prenatal to age 5. You and Your Young Child has been brought to you in part by the Sternberg Museum of Natural History.
Stop! Where are we going?
The Sternberg!
Don't get left behind. We're waiting for you here at the Sternberg Museum, where there's always new opportunities for
Discovery under the dome.
Hello and welcome to You and Your Young Child, the program devoted to early childhood. My name is Dana Stanton and I'm the coordinator of early childhood grants for USD 489. And with me today is Samantha King. Good morning, Samantha.
Good morning.
Now, first of all, Samantha, tell us what organization you work for and what do you do there?
I work for Kansas CASA and I'm the outreach coordinator. I have been there about 1.5 years now, and Kansas CASA is support to 23 local programs across the state of Kansas.
So I guess the next question is, tell us about CASA. For those who don't know, what is CASA? What do you do?
CASA are court-appointed special advocates, and they basically are volunteers who provide a voice for children that are in the foster care system in the courtroom. So they are able to just kind of be an extra support system for the child and provide them with resources, and that way they can have a chance to speak without necessarily speaking.
An advocate, another advocate for the child.
Yes.
I'd assume maybe the only advocate for the child in some cases. So I know there's lots of new things happening in CASA. So what are some of those new changes that are happening?
We actually just recently said goodbye to our 15.5-year state director, Jeanette Mize. She will be greatly missed, but we have a new state director who is Mickey Edwards, and she is originally from Emporia. And so she will be starting here in the next couple weeks. She is just kind of going through a small training process right now. So we are really excited to have her.
Now my next question says, tell us about the CASA bug. And that sounds like a cold or flu symptom, but it's not that. So tell us about the CASA bug.
Well, the CASA bug is a Volkswagen Beetle that was donated to Kansas CASA by 3 major sponsors. And the whole point of the CASA bug was to be like a moving billboard. Instead of us taking our funds and putting up all these billboards across the state, we're like, why don't we just have one that's moving, because the state director travels a lot. There are 23 local programs, and so they're on the road a lot. And so it's a Volkswagen Beetle. It's wrapped in children's pictures, sponsors, the CASA logo, and so you can see it across the state usually.
Now what kind of events does the bug usually go to?
We do parades, chamber chats, we've done a car show, we have done sort of just being present, parking out in front of an event. There was an event at the Opera House in Manhattan, and so they just parked it right in front so everybody walking by could see this great, fabulous billboard. And our slogan is, catch the CASA bug, be a volunteer.
Oh, it's great. Great logo there. Who are the sponsors?
The sponsors are Eagle Communications, Westar Energy, and Auto World of Hayes.
Well, those are some local sponsors, so all right, Hayes. Now you've got a special event that's coming up in November. Tell us about that.
In November, we will have the bug in the Christmas parade in Hutchinson on November 21st.
Okay.
And we will be helping that program out, giving them a little bit of exposure and just helping them recruit volunteers.
Now, say someone's out there watching and they're thinking, you know, that sounds like being a CASA volunteer is something that they would be interested in. Where would you go? Where would you tell them to get more information about CASA?
I would tell them to go to kansascasa.org, and when you enter the site, it'll say find a local program in your area, and you can just look at a map, find your county, and click on there, and it'll give you all the contact information for that program.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for being here today, Samantha. And everybody be on the lookout for the CASA bug.
Yes.
Yes, all right. You've been watching You and Your Young Child, the program devoted to early childhood. Parents, remember, you are your child's first and best teacher. Thank you.
You and Your Young Child, a program of information and services available for you and your child from prenatal to age 5. You and Your Young Child has been brought to you in part by the Sternberg Museum of Natural History.